Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Talks. I am Sarah, and today we have a very exciting episode.
Today, we go to the zoo.
We follow a family, a mom, a dad, and two young children. The girl is Sophie. She is 5 years old. The boy is Tommy. He is 3 years old.
They will see many animals today. Lions, elephants, giraffes, and more. Are you ready? Let's go to the zoo.
We are here! We are at the zoo!
Yay! The zoo! The zoo! The zoo! I can see giraffes on the sign. Zoo! Zoo! Animals!
Okay, everyone, let's walk together. Stay close to Mom and Dad.
Tommy, hold my hand. The zoo is big.
Okay, Daddy.
Sophie, what animal do you want to see first?
I want to see the lions. Lions are my favorite. No! I want to see the elephants. Elephants are big.
Don't worry. We will see all the animals today.
All of them?
All of them.
Look at the map. The lions are this way. The elephants are that way.
Let's start with the lions. Then the elephants. Is that okay, Tommy?
Okay. But elephants after lions.
Deal.
Dad! I can see the lions. Look!
Wow. Yes. There they are. 2 lions.
Where? I cannot see.
Tommy, come here. Stand on this step. Now, can you see?
Oh, yes! I see them. They are sleeping.
They are resting. Lions sleep a lot
Why do lions sleep so much, Mom?
because they are big animals. Big animals need a lot of rest.
Like Grandpa.
The big one is the male lion. He has the long hair around his face.
That is called a mane, Dad. I know that.
You are right, Sophie. Very good.
I want to touch the lion.
No, Tommy, we cannot touch the lions. They are wild animals.
Why?
Because wild animals can be dangerous. We look, but we don't touch.
Okay, but I still want to touch. Tommy, you are so funny.
Look. The lion is waking up.
Ah! He is coming!
It's okay, Tommy. There is glass between us. We are safe.
He is very big.
He is. Lions are the kings of the jungle.
Actually, Dad, lions live on the savannah, not the jungle.
Wow, Sophie. You know a lot.
I read books. Elephants! Elephants! I can see them.
Yes. There are 3 elephants. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. I can count. Good job, Tommy. Wow. They are so big. Bigger than I thought.
Elephants are the biggest animals on land.
Bigger than a giraffe?
Heavier, yes, but giraffes are taller.
Look! That small one is a baby elephant.
A baby! It is so cute! It is walking next to its mom. Just like me and you, Mom.
Yes. Baby elephants stay very close to their mothers.
Mom, can we take the baby elephant home?
No, Tommy. It needs to live here with its family.
But I want it.
Tommy, the elephant needs a big space to run. Our house is too small.
Our house is big.
Not elephant big. Okay. The elephant can stay here.
Dad, how do elephants drink water?
They use their trunk. Like a long nose. They suck up water and pour it into their mouth.
Can I try that?
No, Sophie. You don't have a trunk.
I know, but it looks fun. I want a trunk.
Me too, Tommy. Me too.
Mom, the giraffes are so tall. I have to look up.
Yes. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world.
Their necks are very long.
That long neck helps them eat leaves from tall trees.
Look! That one is eating right now. I can see its tongue. Its tongue is purple.
That's right. Giraffe tongues are purple and blue. Isn't that amazing?
Purple tongue. Like a grape.
We can feed the giraffes here. Look at the sign.
Really? We can feed them? Yes. Do you want to try? Yes, yes, yes. Me too. Me too.
Hold the leaves flat in your hand, Sophie, like this.
Like this?
Yes, and hold your hand out toward the giraffe.
It tickles. Its tongue is so rough.
It's okay. Don't drop the leaves.
I did it. I fed the giraffe. That was amazing.
Tommy, do you want to try?
Yes. Give me the leaves.
Too close. Too close.
It's okay, Tommy. The giraffe won't hurt you.
It's not scary, Tommy. It's soft. Try again. I did it! I am so brave!
Yes, you are, Tommy. You are very brave. Okay, lunchtime. Let's eat.
I am hungry. So hungry.
We walked a lot today. You need energy.
Dad, what was your favorite animal today?
I think the elephants. What about you, Sophie?
The giraffes. I loved feeding them. What about you, Tommy? I liked all of them.
That's a good answer.
After lunch, should we see the monkeys?
Yes, and the penguins.
Penguins. Penguins are funny.
They walk like this.
Kate, people are watching.
Let them watch.
Okay, after lunch, monkeys, penguins, and then the gift shop.
Gift shop.
Gift shop.
I want a stuffed lion. I want a stuffed giraffe.
We will see. First, eat your lunch.
The monkeys are playing. Look, that one is jumping. It jumped so high. Can monkeys fly?
No, they can't fly, but they can jump very far.
I want to jump like that.
You already jump like a monkey at home, Tommy.
I am a monkey. A monkey. They are so cute. They look like little people in suits.
Penguins can't fly, but they are amazing swimmers.
They walk funny.
Just like their mother earlier.
Lion! Lion! I want this one. This giraffe is so cute. Please, Mom.
One toy each. Choose carefully.
Lion. Oh, giraffe.
Good choices.
I am tired.
Me too, Tommy. We walked a long way today.
But it was so fun. Dad, can we come back?
Yes. We will come back again.
Tommy, which animal did you like best?
The giraffe. Because I was brave. I thought you liked the elephant. I like both.
Sophie, what did you learn today?
I learned that giraffe tongues are purple. And elephants use their trunk to drink water.
Very good. You remembered everything. And what about you, Tommy? What did you learn?
I learned I am brave.
Yes, Tommy, you are very brave.
Okay, in the car. Everyone needs to sleep on the way home.
I am not sleepy. He said he was not sleepy.
Shh. Let him sleep.
It was a big day for a little boy.
It was a big day for all of us.
Great job today. You went to the zoo with Sophie and Tommy. You heard a lot of new words and phrases. Let's remember them now. Today you learned 9 key phrases. Let me say them for you now. 1, we are here. 2, stay close. 3, we cannot touch.
4, so big, so cute. 5, bigger than. 6, isn't that amazing?
7, I am so brave. 8, they look like. 9, let him sleep.
That's all for today's episode of Slow English Talks. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment. What is your favorite animal? Tell me in English. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone. Take care.